probably clicked on this video because there's a 95 probability chance that you want to recover your WhatsApp account because you just got hacked. Alright, and that's very much okay. But the number one thing I want you all to do for me is I need you all to calm down. You need to understand that no matter how long you've been hacked, either it's now or it's been 3 weeks back or months back, you can always recover your hacked WhatsApp account. The only thing that makes it different in terms of recovering your account is the actions you take, and that's the purpose of today's video. And what makes this video unique compared to several videos out there is I've created a platform for you all to be able to message me directly so I can help you all recover your account, like I've actually helped a whole lot of people commenting on previous videos I've actually created on recovering WhatsApp account. Now, what exactly happens when you get hacked? WhatsApp is simply going to send you a message telling you that you just got signed out and you're actually registered on a new device, especially when you don't even just understand what exactly just happened. This is actually the message WhatsApp sends to you. And in case someone is trying to hack you, you're going to see a message again from WhatsApp. WhatsApp is going to send you a 6-digit code telling you to insert these on your device in case you're actually the one trying to log into a different device. And if you're actually not the one, you definitely don't want to share out this code, or you want to delete the message immediately in case the person trying to hack you is actually around. Now, one thing you must understand, like I said from the start of this video, is you need to calm down. But now, let's say you have been hacked. The number one thing is you're going to be logged out. Now, when you're logged out, the thing you don't want to do is deleting WhatsApp. You don't want to delete WhatsApp because if you're deleting WhatsApp, you're simply making it harder for yourself to recover your account. Like I said, you're going to recover the account, but then you're going to make the time of your recovery for your WhatsApp account a bit longer because you're giving the hacker more time to do whatever the hacker has to do on the device. So now the one thing you want to do is to ensure you're not deleting WhatsApp. Now, once you logged out, you simply want to log in again, okay? You want to try to log in again with your mobile number, all right? And now you want to tell WhatsApp to send you a code via SMS or send you a code via a call. You do not want to click on request code or resend code. There's going to be a big button saying resend code, and there's going to be the resend code via SMS or call at the bottom. You don't want to click on resend code, the bigger one, because if you're clicking on resend code, WhatsApp is going to send it to the hackers, the hacker that just hacked you inside the WhatsApp account. And definitely the hacker is not going to send it to you. And you're obviously making it a bit longer. And now from there, WhatsApp starts to tell you need to wait for 1 hour, you need to wait for 3 hours, you need to wait for 8 hours, and the rest before you actually get your code. And in case you actually made this mistake and WhatsApp tells you to wait for these hours, you simply want to wait for the hours, and you want to ensure the next time you're trying, you are not clicking on resend code. You want to ensure you're clicking on send code via SMS or call preferably. Alright, and now once you actually get this, WhatsApp is going to send you the code and you simply want to insert it and you're back inside your WhatsApp account. Now, in case the hacker is actually smart enough by inserting a 2-step verification, maybe because you didn't insert a 2-step verification and the hacker actually inserts a 2-step verification code. In case you actually even log in, you're going to see that you need to insert the 2-step verification even though you weren't the one. Now, in these type of scenarios, you need to send a message to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is going to automatically reset your WhatsApp account in about 3 to 7 days. You need to actually wait for 3 to 7 days, which is actually too much. But then the earlier you actually message WhatsApp, the faster your account gets reset. And then from there, you can actually log in with your normal 6 code digits sent by WhatsApp. And then from there, you're inside the WhatsApp account. Now, if you're someone that actually inserted a 2-step verification, on your WhatsApp, you added your email and you still got hacked, all you simply have to do is to send a message to WhatsApp, and trust me, WhatsApp is going to send you a very good response. And from there, all you have to do is to try to log in again. In fact, they're going to reset the account almost immediately if you already have a 2-step verification account, 2-step verification code on your WhatsApp account. Now, how exactly do you even get hacked? You simply get hacked by, it could be people around you, maybe a friend or family, whatever. They might try to hack you and, they have access to your mobile device. And from there, they insert the code easily. It can be someone that just want to track your WhatsApp, messages. The person might not be intending to hack you, but might be intending to, be able to see the people you are messaging. It's also possible for you to be spied on WhatsApp. Alright, so that's actually one of the ways you get hacked. The second way to get hacked is by clicking on random links you don't even know the source. or someone calls you and tells you, hey, we are, we're in a business, maybe you've forgotten about us, but we're the ones that helped you with this, that, please send us the link they're going to send to you right now, and then we can, officially add it to whatever. And then because you're busy or you're actually choked up with something, you just end up sending them the code, and then from there you get hacked. And then the final one is, if you don't have a two-step verification to your WhatsApp account, it's also very, very easy to hack you if you don't have a two-step verification on your WhatsApp account. These are actually the three of the most, easiest ways to actually hack anyone that, owns a WhatsApp account. Now, how to actually avoid these things is by ensuring that your WhatsApp is actually passworded. All right, you want to ensure your WhatsApp is passworded so no one has an easy access to your WhatsApp account. Same thing applies to your message app on your mobile device. You also want to add password to your messages app on your mobile device. It's very, very important. And the final one is, you also want to ensure that you have a two-step verification. And in case you are not hacked and you don't have this right now, quickly head to your WhatsApp security settings and add your two-step verification. You can as well add your email account. All right, now these are the ways for you to protect your WhatsApp account from getting hacked. And like I mentioned from the start of today's video, that I'm going to be dropping an easy access method for you to reach out to me in case you try out all this method and you still can't recover your WhatsApp account. So make sure to go to the description link below, send me a message right now. I'm going to ensure I help you out in recovering your account, like I've actually helped out a whole lot of people on this channel. And yeah, in case you still want to watch a more detailed version of this tutorial, check out the videos at the top of the screen right now, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share with your friends and family members. And I'll see you all in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.